Hi everyone, good morning. This is our day 2 dito po sa Kawit Medellin and we just had our breakfast. Buti na lang guys, libre lang yung breakfast nila dito kung mag-check-in kayo overnight dito po sa Seahorse Tourist Inn. And this is the best place to have breakfast kasi yung view nyo guys is the shoreline of Kawit Medellin. So ito po yung view namin ngayon. This is the beach, the white sandy beach. Malinis yung beach nila guys and yung shoreline nila at madaming mga bangka dito. So this is the pool area. Sina Chan Chan, Joy, Anne at si Cristel, she's swimming at yung mga tatlong kasama natin nag-pictorial. On this other side guys, Seahorse Tourist Inn pa rin to. And on the next area, that's another resort. Madaming resort naka-line up doon banda. Maraming options talaga dito kung saan kayo magsistay. Nice thing about this area is it's not super crowded. Ngayon, kami lang talaga nandito sa may shoreline area, guys. Good morning!
Hi,
How was your day? How was your morning?
Welcome back to the private beach with a private person. I believe it's your birthday, so
yeah.
Happy birthday!
Thank you so much and
welcome back!
Buti na lang no, nakapag-travel tayo ngayon.
Yes.
This is the first year na nakapag-travel tayo,
yes.
Nakasama tayo.
Yes!
Kompleto tayo ngayon pero wala lang si Jomar.
Wala lang si Jom. Siya lang talaga ang
missing.
Missing in action. Shout out Jom! Let's make it up soon. Next time. This is the best
Private getaway.
Privacy. Yes, place you can get. Go! Thank you!
Hello guys! Welcome to Seahorse Tourist Inn, Philippines!
Kumusta naman Chan? How's the place? What do
The
you think of
place is the place to be! I'm recommending you all to witness the beauty of Medellin. Look at that!
What can they expect when they're gonna visit here?
Expect the beautiful beach. Ako nagsanda kaya ito ginagawa.
Kung mag-beach kayo, always wear
A sunblock and umbrella.
saan yung umbrella mo
Nandun
siya?
sa kwarto.
Anong masabi mo kay Judith since she graduated from her caregiving course?
Career. I would like to congratulate Judith de la Cruz also. I would like to thank myself. Being a supporter from day one.
Since alam nyo yung Marimar Challenge. Asuka Challenge. Asoka
Jud. Gisuka.
Asoka Challenge. No filter. Take one.
Sorry, Pabin.
What can you say about this place, Joy?
If you want good na beach resort na dili na ka mag-transfer to another island, then Kawit jud ang ma-recommend.
It's the best place.
Oh, if you want to
And also,
to visit more.
Tabuel. I like Tabuel.
Tabuelan, Marbella. Nakapunta ka na doon?
Yes.
Nakapunta ka na din?
Pero, naman po day one way lang sa Tabuelan, no? Pero mas ganahan ko diri.
Buti na lang guys, nakapaghabol siya because this is our first year na reunion ulit.
For 2024, di ba?
Oh, last year pa.
Tapos wala pa gid Kuya Joms.
Yeah.
Where are you? Judith, i-interview sa before siya di ko. Sino ka dyan? Sino ka dyan? Dito na ako. Alam ko anong meron sa bako.
Asuka challenge! Asuka! Nananayin!
Marley.
Sina! Ako pulgo sa leg!
Galing na siya may mga iro para ni mo dito.
Ano yan? The nails are giving. Give it to me. shoulder.
Muna wala siya kaapas sa tuog sa'yo kay nag-nails pa siya.
By the way, congratulations!
Congratulations!
Kamusta naman yung biyahe? Ganon.
Sumakit talaga yung...
I-flex talaga.
Oh my God! Uuwi kami mamayang hapon. Pumunta ako dito para sunduin sila, pero... Hindi pala, may
May ibang
pupuntahan pa pala
plano.
kami.
Nakyan kong bus is going to Bantayan Island.
Okay. Sa Agnaya?
No.
Or dyan
Here.
sa may Kawit?
Dyan,
Okay.
dyan.
So dalawa pala yung port nila dito sa may northern side. Papuntang Bantayan.
Dalawa na. Bago lang yun.
Okay.
Bago lang to nag-open yung dito sa ano.
Sa may Kawit. No, nice pala no. May development na dito.
Dahil dyan, maliligo na ako.
Maliligo na siya. Thank you, Jude.
Never go wrong with this resort.
What is your review on Seahorse Tourism? Will you recommend it?
As usual, this is so recommendable. Basta ang alam ko sa standard kay 2020
2020.
for 2 packs doon. Pag mag-add
Additional.
packs, 2 lang yung max. Ang per head is 500. With breakfast na din yun. Suddenly, pupunta tayo ng ibang island.
Mag-skip tayo ng Fantastic Island to the other island. So sa likod pala niyan,
Sa likod pa pala niyan? Okay.
that's the Bantayan Island.
Birthday niya, guys. Happy
Yay!
birthday.
Yeah, kanina
Yay!
Kanina pa sila nag-greet ng birthday ko. So
Oo.
thank you so much. We checked out around 12 noon. And currently, nandito kami ngayon sa may highway ng Kawit Medellin. Naghihintay kami ng bus at van para makasakay si Ann because she's gonna go home. At kami, pupunta kami ngayon sa may port area dito sa Kawit. At pupunta kami sa...
Yes, where?
Thank you so much, Ann, for joining our trip. Nag-enjoy ka naman, Ann, no?
Of course. Refresh na refresh.
Hi, RJ. Sasama pala kayo. Akala ko alis na kayo. Sige, sige.
Balik na
Pagdali.
Ay lang mo pagdugay kay Baba, si Deg sa UDI ba?
Your Honor, hindi ko na po alam.
Alam mo, Karen?
We're still waiting for a van or a bus para ihatid na namin si Ann. Be right back. I'll give you an update later. barge papuntang Bantayan Island. And the ticket going to Bantayan Island, it's only for 250 pesos. And yung terminal fee, it's only for 20 pesos, guys. And currently, it's already 2:20 in the afternoon. Are you excited going to Bantayan Island? I did not expect this. Sinong may kasalanan nito?
Feeling ko si Joy, tsaka si Judith.
Saan tayo magsistay ito?
Ano nga name nun? Oh my gosh. Sorry, dito na lang ulagay.
How much is the stay for night?
Sa-discount tayo. Naging ano siya, 3, 5, to 7 kami. Pag-divide mo yun, magkano yun? So, diba? Mura na per head. Beachfront siya. May difference siya sa travel today because the last travels we had going to Bantayan is masama ang panahon. But today, look at the weather.
I'm feeling good. Oh, sumasaya. Ang tropiko. By Bini. I'm so tired. Pagod ako sa gano'n, sa mga manggan. Pinapadala ko siya ako. Thank you, Adeline, for the food. Next time, Adeline, magdala ka ng puno. Dito kami sa very, very VIP area. Please fasten your seatbelt. We're about to fly. In-expect ko is unexpected.
Are you gonna go on a bicycle ride or?
No, it's so init sa labas eh. Oh, I am like bike, but it's very difficult naman to ride a bicycle with fire.
Kay Miss Bantayan, si Ann, 2022, natulog. 2024, iniwan. Ano, Ate Ann, dili ko masagot Ate Ann. Let's compare your contemporary
2022, 2024. Malapit na tayo umalis.
Dumating na talaga kami dito sa Bantayan Island. It took us around 1.5 hour yung travel time from Kawit Medellin Port going to Bantayan Port. So right now, nandito kami ngayon sa may Talisay area dito sa Bantayan Island. Nakapag-check-in na din po kami guys dito sa Steve Rina. So this is the place where we're gonna stay for a night. This is the rest house. We actually availed this for only 3,500 pesos. Isang buong house na to guys. So meron siyang 2 rooms, may kitchen, at meron silang sala. The name of the bar or restaurant is called Route 57. At yung name ng resort is Island Rock. Ito po yung dining area nila. Ano na kung magluto, RJ? This is our first time na makapag-join kay Adeline. Nice to meet you, Adeline. So ito pala yung partner ni RJ. Ay, officially, paano? Welcome to Team Squaa. May chicharon na sila.
Thank you so much, Route 57. Shout out.
I will be singing.
May lista na si Cristel, ready. Nakatulog ka kanina.
Yeah.
Busy yung mga kasama ko dito. They're still selecting some songs. Ito pa yung menu nila, guys. On the other side, may restaurant din pala. And this is the beach. Mag-early dinner muna kami. I'll see you in a couple minutes. See you later. Kakatapos na namin mag-early dinner and time check. It's already 7:26 in the evening. For tonight's plan, I think we're gonna go down the beach sa Maykota Beach, guys. And we're gonna go night swimming. And si Chan Chan, nag-concert talaga siya ng todo.
Yes,
todo.
why not?
How was the experience?
I have foreigners audience earlier.
This is our room. Mag-change na siya ng damit kasi mag-swimming kami ngayon.
Talaga ba yun?
So, saan tayo papunta, Chan? Guess mo.
Punta tayo sa Spratly's Island!
Ito pala yung room ni na Joy. We're gonna wait for them to finish up. After this, we're gonna go night swimming. So, let's go, guys. Let's enjoy the night dito po sa Bantayan Island. Kakatapos namin mag-swimming sa Maykota Beach. We really had fun on our night swimming today. And currently, nandito kami ngayon sa may harapan ng 360. Bumili kami ng mga drinks and coffee for tomorrow. This is what we bought. Coca-Cola, napkins, Nescafe, noodles, at conditioner. I think ito lang yung mga nabili namin. This is the 360 dito sa Bantayan. At sa harapan ng 360, guys, meron mga bars, boutiques, meron silang mga kainan dito. So they have Santino's Pizza, coolers, may grilling station doon banda. And on that side, may mga resto bars. At meron pa rin nagbibenta ng mga street food. What did you buy?
My wine, my ice cream, my
Wow.
chips. It's already
10:05. Si Joy, bumili siya ng barbecue. This is the resto bar. Meron din sila dito mga milk teas, and drinks. Oh, dito pala kami kumain last time na pumunta kami sa Bantayan. This is called MJ Square. So most of the restaurants over here are still open. There's a grocery store, parang Korean store. At dito kami kumain, guys, sa Panyang. And may mga Iba't ibang mga business dito. If you want to buy some souvenirs. Ito na nga yung MJ Square. A couple of blocks down the street. May mga businesses din guys. Same pa rin, restaurant, bar, rooms for rent. I'll give you an update here guys kung nakarating na kami sa aming stinastayan for tonight. Dito na kami sa rest house. This is what we prepared for tonight. Rice, the barbecues, mangoes, kimchi, ramen noodles. Si Christian daw nagluto ng ramen noodles because she's a professional cook.
Hindi ko alam your honor, kasi nakatira ko sa farm. Let's eat me!
Huwag na lang.
May standard kami.
Tara guys, let's eat. I'll see you tomorrow. Have a good night everyone.